Okay, Miss Lewis, this is what I was talking about here. World History Unit 1, lessons 25 to 29 for this week, 1024 to 1028. So I go to the curriculum guide, Unit 1, and I'm in 2022, 2023 curriculum guide. There's lesson 9, and then Unit 1's over. I'm in Unit 2. So this is where I'm confused. Am I looking at the wrong spot? Am I looking at the wrong guide? I'm not sure what's going on. So please let me know so I can roll this out when I meet with the department. I appreciate it. And I can get I can catch up. I'm gonna do a micro lesson so I can catch up and get on pace. All right, thanks, Lewis.